Okay. Hello again, it's Coach Carrie here again at Walden Pond, Brown Pond, and we just learned about minnows and with the mermaids, again with Tanamite here, Tanner, and Hunter, Hunt from Windows, Hunter Walden, and now we're going to see why you use the minnows. I had brought some stuff for fishing. I like vinegar, but it spilt. I got to clean that before I get home, and some ketchup. And then I have a spoon because I couldn't find a fork. So hopefully we find some fish. So the boys are going to show us how to use the minnows, and somebody already got into the worms. So talk to me. What pond are we going to use?
Probably both.
Probably both. What type, are we talking about like grouper, salmon? What type of fish do we have in here?
Bass and brim.
Bass and brim.
One crappie.
One crappie. Now, is that his name?
No.
Who knows? And so you just catch them and like say hello and then they go back?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the biggest one y'all seen?
About 6-pounder, probably about that big.
Okay. Now, do people, are fish, do people say like by weight or how long they are or like what their name is or like what their last name is? How do they talk about fish?
All of it.
All of it? Like if they're a Brown or a Walden or Gerard, stuff like that. I mean, I didn't know how they talked about stuff. Does it matter?
Not really.
Okay, so here we go. Which pond are we going to start in?
This one.
Okay, let's do this. We're going to have you teach them what we're doing. Maybe safety first.
Yeah.
What are some safety tips?
Don't get hooked.
Don't get hooked. Don't get hooked.
Don't fall in.
Don't fall in. Anything else?
Don't go in the middle of that bridge.
Don't go in the middle of that bridge, Mom. Okay, here we go. We're ready. Show us what you're doing.
So I'm going to get a minnow out. I'm going to get a little one so I can catch a bass right off the bat. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the hook and we're going to take...
So he's got the hook and the minnow. Everybody, the hook and the minnow.
You're going to take it, you're going to hook it right there, and back up through.
Let me know when you're done.
Done.
Okay, he is done.
Yep.
Okay, now he's ready. He is ready. Now, are those like sport sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay, these are made just for the sport?
No.
No, okay. Now what?
Cast it out, wait on.
Cast it out and wait. Okay, Tanamite is also getting out a minute. What?
Go start.
Yes, go ahead and start. Okay, he is going to start. I don't know who to watch. There's too much action. Here in this part of Lumpkin County. We have Tanner. He is getting a minnow out. Hunter is going to cast. He's casted. He has cast it into the pond. Has anything happened? No. Okay. Do you have hold of one yet?
I do.
He does. Okay, Tanamite is ready.
No.
No.
He got out.
He got out. Do you need a mermaid?
No.
Okay. Okay, he is getting it.
Just had a nibble.
Hunter has had a nibble. Somebody trying to show off for us because they saw the mermaid. Okay, here we go. Tanamite also, he's going to pond 2. Pond 2. Who is going to win? Pond 1 and pond 2. That's a good cast. That's pretty exciting. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we got, I don't know. Someone can do something. Something? Hey, nothing. This is why Coach Carrie does not fish. Okay. What are you doing right now?
Bouncing it off the bottom and then rolling it.
Oh, okay! Okay, Hunter has a fish! Bring the net! Bring the net! Okay. Oh my gosh!
It wasn't even hooked.
Okay, now what happens?
Throw them back.
So, hello! Okay, is that a normal size?
No.
That's pretty big! Hey, say, mermaid. Woo! Okay, well thank you for learning us. And there's the minnow! He did his job! Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, throw her back in. Or him, obviously. That's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Fish bed.
You can do it. I'm so excited. Okay. And it took off.
You don't need a
Oh my
cast
gosh.
right there, Terry. That's literally just where I caught
Oh
that
my
fish.
gosh. I don't even know what to
Just like
think.
that.
My heart rate right now is just a jumping. See, it worked. And remember, you got your own that you can grow mermaids. Just like that. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to go fishing. That was pretty big. That was bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I'm very excited. If she videoed my running form, that is why I've had 5-foot surgeries as a runner. Great form. So, yes, until next time from Walden Pond, this is Coach Carrie. Thank you.